sound of that. A lot of cars, man. Tag it. Nope. It's manual, yeah. It's gorgeous. This is Eddie. Let's hear he goes 90 man for this. Sound of that. Here's a ringing from that now. Let's see that beam if he does anything now. Oh man, that can pop. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you're seeing there, we were up at the Carmi. We had the Mercedes there, so we had to leave that behind, and we ended up getting the 4Cs. I don't even want to explain why we left the Merc, but anyways, we got the BMW. The thing is though, I don't have my car today. I'll update is that in a few days. The car's actually left in BMW dealership. It's getting a few things done, but I'll update you in a different video. But yeah, so far we're going up to Carmi. As you've seen there, we were at a different spot where we usually meet. But now it's going up to the mountains for drifting. What the amount?
Yeah, this is where you said that they're all stopping.
They're all turning around or what?
This is the cruise. There's Jay. See his back lights up at the mountain. See him?
Yeah,
that's him.
Spotted. What? 1 sec, man, look at the amount of cars. There's about 300 cars, probably more, to be honest, which is in the queue, even in front of us as well, going up to the Carmi. 3 hours later, we still can't find the spot. A few of them are probably up there, but we don't even know where we are. Oh, ST. Eventually I said we'd get there. If I can actually show you the view in this, when it's actually daylight, it's gorgeous. There's a lot more cars coming up. But yeah guys, we'll update you once we get to the spot. Alright guys, so it's actually day 2 during the Carmi, I'd like to say. So basically what happened was yesterday when we actually went up to the meet up the mountains. I'm not even exaggerating now, we were probably driving for about 2 hours straight trying to find a location for the Carmi. So as you can see actually in the video, when we're standing in the queue going uphill, the meet was actually on the left. It was like a big car park where they were actually drifting, but we couldn't find it. It was our first time actually going there just to see what it's like, but we couldn't find a location, so we were basically circling around the whole mountains for about 2 hours. That's being straight out with us. Sorry I didn't get the footage for you to see what it was like. I got other videos there from other people and I was gonna put it into the video, but it's not the same as me showing you what it's like. But yeah guys, so we couldn't really record it for you. We couldn't find a location, but not one thing, I don't think I'll be going back there again for sure, because you're just driving around for about 3 hours. To be honest, at the start, maybe half an hour into an hour, it is fun because you think you're like on some kind of track going up and down and swerving. It's fun, but after that, for driving a while, you just get tired of it and sick of the journey of just driving. But yeah, sorry guys, I couldn't get the video for you. Hopefully in the this Friday, I think there is another Carmi coming up close by that we usually go to, so I can actually show you that. But also just to update you on the BMW, I didn't record as much as I wish I could have, because I ended up bringing the BMW to the dealership and it was meant to be done in about a day. 5 days later, I still haven't got the car back yet. But I should be getting the car tomorrow, and there's a lot more coming on the BMW, so stay tuned for that. But please guys, if you do like this video, do subscribe, because it will mean a lot to me. I know that you are there and interested, but on that, I'll hopefully see you soon, and I'll have another videos for you tomorrow.